Good morning, students. Welcome again in online session. Students, you know that in my previous video, I have already started chapter 5, Advanced Features of Calc. And in that video, I have explained about that components of chart. Students, in this chapter, now you have to learn how you can create a chart and with that different components of that chart. So that already I have explained that components of chart in my previous video, and today now I am going to explain that the next that commonly used chart type, and even I will show you that how you can create a chart. Okay, students, so now let me start, and please you have to watch that whatever I will show you here. Got it? Yes, students, first of all I will explain here that commonly used chart type. Students, once again I want to remind you that in my previous video I have explained that the chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form, and even I have told you students that for that comparison or analysis, or you want to show the growth or relationship, then it is better way to display this thing in a chart format. Okay, and then I have explained that components of chart like chart area, x-axis, y-axis, data series, axis titles, chart wall, legend, and grids. Okay, so uh, those are the main components of charts. Now students, you have to learn in this chapter the very important thing is that commonly used chart type. So you can see here that I have put the content from your textbook that commonly used chart types. There are 4 chart types commonly used, and you also have to learn. Okay, so different types of charts are available in Calc, and some of the most commonly used charts are here. It's given. First of all, column chart. You can see here, students. This is the column chart. Okay. So column. So a column chart is the default chart type of a LibreOffice Calc. Students, please remember. And if you want to underline that, you can underline it also, because in a short question or in a fill in the blanks or anywhere, maybe it's that what is the default chart type. So column chart is the default chart type, and it is commonly used chart type to display data in the form of a vertical bar. In the, you can see here in this image, students. Okay, so you can easily get it that it shows in a vertical bars. It is used to show changes in a data over a period of time of comparison among different data items. In a column chart, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and value axis, the vertical axis. So this is the column chart type. Once again, I just tell you that students, it is a default chart type. Okay, generally it is a very simple chart type, so everyone used to with this to show that comparison and find out that analysis of the data. Got it? The next chart type, the second one, it is a bar chart. Here, bar chart. So what is the bar chart? Bar chart displays data in the form of a long rectangular rows, also called bar, that are places vertically or horizontally on the chart area. So students, again it is a very important that it is that a form of long rectangular rods. So it is called that bar chart. So you can underline it. So it means that it is very easy to Remember this definition, okay? A bar chart illustrates comparisons amongst the individual items. Whenever you want to compare that individual items, then this bar chart, it is a very much in use. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Okay students, now the next chart type, the third one is a pie chart. You can see here, this is in a circular form. So this chart displays data in the form of the circle that is divided into a series of segments. Okay, so please you can underline here. It always shows that only one data series of a given field and is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. So there are the different types that for that specific purpose you have to use this type of chart type. Okay, so here it shows that in a pie chart that first of all it's a form of a circle, okay, and it's a divide into a series of segments. Got it? And the next fourth chart type, it is a line chart. So this chart is in the form of lines. Definitely students, that when it shows in a form of line, then it's known as a line chart. It is very similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with that values on the x and y axis. Generally students, you used to draw this type of graph in your maths also. And one thing, once again I want to give you one example, that students, if you used to watch that cricket matches on the television, then generally they shows that line chart to compare that run rate between that two teams. So generally they used to show this line chart. Okay, so this is that example I just give you, so you can easily get it. Okay, so a line chart uses connecting does to display trends in a data over a period of time. So these all four these chart types commonly used. Okay, so that you have to remember this table. Fine. Now next thing, that changing the chart area background. Once you create a chart, and afterward if you want to change the chart area background, it means if you want to format your chart area, then you can format it easily. So here the steps are given, but I will show you also in my demo. Okay, so I just read the step here, that we can modify the chart type. We can modify the chart type uh, by changing changing its background. For that you have to double click on the chart, and it gets enclosed by a gray border which indicate the edit mode, and then select format and chart area option. The chart area dialog box appears. By default the borders tab is selected. Then select suitable style color with, it means which type of formatting you want to do, you can do it. Okay students, so in this way you can format even your chart also, any type of things that you can change in your chart. Okay, now I show you students, that I open this one sheet here. Look at here, one sheet I have made. Yes, one thing please make it clear students, that whenever you want to create a chart, that data should be there. When the data is there, then only you can create a chart. Okay, so your data table should be there, then you can easily create a chart. So students, here I have created a one table here. My data is ready. It's a students progress reports. Here marks, that name, and here the name of the students like Ahana, Ishita, Raman, Rushi, sorry, Ruhi and Vishal, and then this is the marks of that oral test, and here written test, and here average. So that simple data table is here. Now I want to create a chart. So for that, first of all, I will select this table. Yes, students, table data table selection, it's must be there, otherwise you can't create a chart. Okay, so I select this table. Now I already have here on a insert tab, look at here, you have to click on a insert tab. In insert tab, in this chart area, you get this in a chart area. Okay, now look at here, this is that launcher button. To see that all charts, I click on this. Now all charts, look at here students, all chart types, it means insert chart dialog box, it's appear here, and in this insert chart dialog box you can find out that all chart types here. But these all charts are not necessary for you. You have to learn, already I have explained that commonly used chart type like column chart, line chart, pie chart and bar chart. These four chart type only, it is you have to learn. Other chart type, it has their own specific purpose. So but right now you don't have to focus on these other chart types. Okay, you have to just learn these all, four chart type only. So first of all, as I told you students that default chart type is a column chart, so you can see here it is a column chart. Okay, now in a column chart there are a different layout it's given. You can choose any layout. I just choose this layout, I click on it and then I click on OK. Now look at here students, this my chart, column chart is ready on this data table. You can see here, this is Ahana's, this is Ishita, Raman, Ruhi and Vishal. So this is that column chart. If anything you want to make changes, you can make changes from this layout. At least you can change the layout. Got it? So this is the column chart students. Fine? Understood? Okay, so as per I told you that in the next my in my previous video I have explained that components of chart. So this is this whole area, it is known as a chart area. Okay, it is known as a chart area. Then x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. So look at here, this is that x-axis from here. This is okay. Then this is that y-axis where that values are shown here. So this is that y-axis. And then data series, the bars, lines or other elements, this bars, it is known as a data series. Then axis title, so here you can see that title. Okay, so axis titles, it means that this is the chart title. So here you can see that right now it is off, so you can show this axis title also. Afterward I will show you. This is that chart wall, look at here, this whole, that actual chart is, wherever the actual chart is there, it is known as a chart wall. This, I just look at here, I move this, my square headed arrow, it shows that chart wall. Got it? And then legend, you can see here, this is that legend, it shows that colors and patterns and symbols as to assign that series, data series. So this is that legend. And at last the grids, if you see that students, at the in this chart wall you can see this horizontal line, gray color line at the back of this slice or bars. This is the grid lines. Okay, so in this way students you can create a column chart. Okay, now next that you have to learn that how you can format your chart. So very simple way that you can format your chart here. again I just click on it. Yes, look at here, this is that add chart element. Add chart element. From here you can format your chart, or you can just right click on it and even you can format your chart. Look at here, I just did here, I do the right click. Now fill color, if you want to fill color at the background. Got it? For example, that if I choose this, so in this way you can background color. Again, outline, you can put that outline. Here chart area, chart title. Look at here, chart title. Chart title, if I want to give that students progress report. So this is that my chart title. Then other things, if you want to just use that yes, okay, legend, it's already there, legend. So this type of things, other here also, this is a plus sign also, it's give you that chart element. If you want to show that titles, look at here, that axis titles here. If I want to show here marks, marks, and here in this that name, sorry. So in this way students, you can format your chart, you can that formatting your chart. And even this also, if you want to change the color of this series, you can change here. If you want to put outline, so you can put outline. Look at here, this. So here you can find out that grid lines, white color grid lines, now it shows here. So in this way students, you can change, you can format your chart type. Once again I show you that format grids. If you want to format these grids, if you want to give that color, you can see here. So in this way students, that different type of formatting you can do in a particular chart. Got it? You can do with that right click and that given option. Otherwise there is a add element, add chart element is given from here also. You can do the same formatting. Got it? So hope you that students, you understood this, that how you can create a chart, how you can select your chart type. Right now I just show you that column chart type only, and then I have a formatted it. Okay, got it students? Hope you that you understood this. Now one more example I will show you here, and I will show you now in a different chart type. Got it students? Okay, so right now I will select till uh, this January to June. Okay, now I click on insert, and all chart type. I want to choose that line chart. Okay, line. You can see here, this is January to June. Got it? This is that revenue of Wagon R. So in this way students, here also right click and you can do formatting as per your choice. Got it? Or from this element also you can make whatever changes you want to, then you can do it the changes. So hope you students that you understood that how you can create a chart. Here chart title, if you want to change the chart title, then you can change the chart title from here. So in this way students, here the different line chart it is given that you can choose as per your choice. See here, as per your choice you can change your particular style. Got it? So students, hope you that you understood this, that in this way students you can create a chart. Got it? Okay. So now one more thing I want to students, that in this one more thing I want to explain students, as I have explained here today, that how you can create a chart and how you can format your chart. Now in your book, that I want to show you that how you can format your legend data series. So this thing you can do. Once again I just on this chart, uh, yes, I forgot to show you. Yes, from these elements you can show that data series from here, data table, chart title that I already shown here, grid lines that also I show you, that grid lines you can make changes in grid lines. Here legend, if you want to show the right, you can change the legend. Okay, I show you in this chart, so easily you can get it. Right now students, you can see that legend it's given on a bottom. So if you want to change the direction of this legend, then you can make it like a right side or any side, left side, or more options are given. Top, so it shows here top, bottom already it was there in bottom, left side, right side, top right. Okay, and you can move here and you can set. So this is that formatting legend students, that I show you from that textbook only, this one option. So this is that about legend. If you want to change that axis titles, then you can change from here. Okay, and then chart title, from here you can make chart title. Then data labels, yes, if you want to shows that data labels, just see here, I just move my, you can see here students, look at here, this is that data labels. So that these data labels also you can show in a different way, like in a center, then inside and inside base, outside and data cannot, like that. Got it? So this everything is including in a formatting a chart. Okay, got it students? Then that formatting data series, this all data table, if you want to shows that data table at the below of your chart, you can show here like this. So hope you students that you understood this, that how you can add the more things in your chart and make your chart in a attractive way. Got it? Now the next thing I want to explain students, that inserting a picture in your chart. If related this picture, if related this your data, if you want to insert any picture, then you can insert a picture also. For example, that right now this is that students progress report, and with this progress report, if you want to show that your school picture or something else, it means, for example, that if I prepare, I don't have any company's detail. Yes, first I have shown you this. Yes, for example, that unit of Maruti Wagoner and Maruti Alto. So with these, if you want to put the picture of Maruti Wagoner or Maruti Alto, then you can insert a picture. Right now I don't have the particular picture related that particular car, but whatever I have from this I can show you for how you can insert a picture. So from that insert tab and insert image, so click on a insert tab and look at your picture. This, click here. So whatever pictures are available here with me, that I will use here. Okay, for example, that right now I don't have any related picture, but if I put this, then click on this particular picture and then insert. You can see here this, then you can move and you can set here with anywhere. For example, that Maruti picture is there, then Wagoner, then you can use that pictures in this way. Okay, so in this way students, you can insert a picture also. From that insert and picture, if you want to use that online pictures, then from online pictures you can insert. Right now I don't have a net connectivity, otherwise I show you these also, but you can insert a picture also in your sheet. Got it students? Hope you that understood this. Fine. Now in the next session I will show you that one more practical part. Okay. So hope you that you understood this students. Okay. So hope you that you understood this students. Fine. So in the next session once again I will give you one more demo. Got it? So this session is over. Thank you very much. Bye.